Hello and welcome to my final video tutorial of how to make a website. Last video, I showed you how to customize the appearance of your website. In this video, I am going to wrap up the whole tutorial and just kind of go over some of the smaller features and let you explore the rest. Here, you can view the comments that you've made to your own site to, whatever the purpose is. If you click on this, it will show you the site's stats. And so it'll show you how many views you've got all time, how many comments, and then the best ever, and then today. Since this website was just created, it's not going to have best ever. And don't worry if you don't immediately get a bunch of visitors. This takes time. You can go click here. Here, it'll show you the blog name, the address, and the different information about your blog. Here are the blogs that you have followed, and you just go to another blog or website, and you click follow, and you will follow them and get updates about when they have changed their website to get newer information. Here, you can buy you can buy a domain such as .com or .me, as you can see up here, which cost extra money. Of course, this is the store. And then you can upgrade certain parts of the website, such as the CSS, which I showed you in the last video. Here's your billing history from what you've paid in the past. And you can buy the different premium themes or packages that I showed you in the very first video. Here, it will show you your posts. Let's go to it. Here, it will show you the author of the post. Give you some options. You can edit, quick edit, trash it, review it. It'll show you the category that it is in, what you have tagged it to, and you can click on these for the stats about it. The comments, the likes, and favorites. And it'll show you how long ago it was published. Here, you can add a new post. Here, you can create different categories. You can tag a post to something, or you can copy a post, use it as a template, or copy it just, to use it again. Here you can choose the different media that you can put within your video. You can go to your library and get a picture, or a video, or sound, anything like that. You can add new media. Here you can manage your links and hyperlinks, and basically what you're going to do there is you're going to go to the page form, the new page form, and you're going to highlight whatever you want to be a link, and there'll be a chain, and you just click on that. I'll show it to you in a bit. You can add a new link, or it'll show you what links you have. These are just the default links that were already on here. You can use it as a template. Here, it'll show you your pages, your drafts. You can quick edit, trash, view, or you can add a new one. If you are going to make a link, let's say click this, and you could either highlight all of that or maybe just this. And then you will insert or edit hyperlink. Get rid of that, and then you just go to whatever you want that to lead to, copy it, and then paste it onto here. This is where you can change the title, so if somebody moves their mouse over the link, it will give them a little notification, and will tell them what it will lead to. You can choose this, and it will open the link in a new window or a tab, or you could link it to existing content. You could add the link, or you just completely cancel it. Here you can view your comments. You leave the page, since we are not going to publish it. And, nobody's seen this. Nobody has ever been here. So these are the different comments that you might get. It'll show you pending, approved, which if you get a comment, it will send a notification to you in your email, and you will be able to approve it. If it is a recording, it will be put in spam. Those get irritating, believe me. And if you've deleted something, it will be shown in trash. The items only last for about a month in the trash. After a month, they will be deleted. You can click this to check for any spam that was in here. You can empty your trash. Click this, and all of it will be deleted permanently. And then just click on this, and it will show you all comments. But let's go to feedback. If you put up a custom form on your website, then people will be able to give you feedback, message you, or if you have set up a poll, you will be able to see the results of that. You will also be able to see the ratings. But for users, let's go. So what this basically does is people who also have WordPress accounts can come onto here if you invite them or give them a password or something, and they will be able to work on it with you. And you can invite a user or look at your profile or your personal settings. If you click on this, it'll go to tools. This is going to list all of the available tools that you can use on your website. And you can save changes whenever you're done, anything like that. If you want to download a tool, then you can click on here, and it'll be ready for use. If you can delete site from here, it's just you have no use for it anymore. And with this, you can get rid of a tool itself, or give it to somebody else, like give them a link or something. Here is the biggest tab of them all. Here you will have some general settings like the title, tagline, email address, time zone, all of that. And whenever you're done modifying this, you can click Save Changes. On writing, you can check this and it will convert emoticons, which, just the smiley face with the colon and the parentheses. I'm sure you know how to make those. Here is the default post category. So whenever you make a post, it will automatically select uncategorized. But if you've made a category, then you can make that its default. Here you can select the default post format, and you can choose the different layouts of how your words will be on your page. And you can change how the words will look on your page or post. Here, the default link and category, I'll let you figure that out on your own. It's pretty simple. And then here are some other tools that you could get into yourself. I'm not going to go over them right now. And whenever you're done changing, you can just click Save Changes, of course. And so let's go on to reading. Here, the front page will display your latest posts or a static page. You can do all of this different stuff, customizing your pages, what blog pages show it most, a bunch of different things that there's just too much to go over. And so let's go to the next discussion. Here, this is basically your feedback area, and just all of you can select an avatar. These really don't matter. Let's just do that. And I'll let you look at these because it's just, again, too much to go over. So let's go over media. Here, you can change what your pictures look like, how large your videos are. You could enable a gallery carousel, which would basically be a big circle of a bunch of images that people could cycle through. Here's where you would select your background color for your picture. And here are some other things that I will not get into detail with. Let's go to sharing. Here you can add a Facebook connection, a Twitter connection, a Tumblr connection, all of this. and you will basically be able to share your website from here. Some other stuff I'm not going to get into. It's too much, so just figure it. You can look through it if you want. Save changes before you leave, which it'll usually remind you. Do you want to leave this page? And you can click no, stay on this page, and then whenever you've saved something, then leave. Here are some other settings that you may not need at all. This is where you control your polls and your feedback options and all of that. People can rate your website or a certain page or post, and this is where it's going to show up, and you can make some different settings for that. Email post changes. You can change posts by your email if you, however you want to set it up. You can make an open ID or webhooks. I'll let you get into those. I've never really had a need for those features. That's all I really need to go through. I hope you are able to create an amazing website, and I hope all of this information helped you. Bye.